A dessert with just 3 ingredients, no heat, no gelatin, and no condensed milk. In a container, start by adding 400 grams of cream. Next, we will squeeze juice from 2 lemons. Once done, we will mix everything very well. Here I will use 2 packs of oil biscuits, one to break into this dessert and one to assemble. Now we're going to start assembling it on a platter by adding half of our container. Next, we're going to add the oil biscuits from the second pack. Just put the rest of the mixture on top. Now I'm going to sprinkle some biscuits on top for decoration. Remember, I have crushed the biscuits, so I didn't use them whole. To finish, I'm going to add some more crumbled oil biscuits here. Now we're going to put it in the fridge until it freezes. After that, look at how incredible this dessert looks. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Prepare it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending a big hug until next time. Thanks.